Hey everyone, I'm John, and welcome back to the channel. Here I review everyday home and kitchen products to help you choose safer, healthier, and more reliable options. You'll find product links in the description below, so you can easily check the latest prices and details without searching around. In today's video, we're looking at the best non-toxic rice cookers. Perfect for anyone who cooks rice regularly and wants to avoid harmful coatings. If you cook rice almost every day, there's one hidden danger most people never think about: the coating inside your rice cooker. Many traditional rice cookers use non-stick coatings that can release harmful chemicals over time. And if you're cooking for your family, kids, or yourself long-term, that's a serious concern. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best non-toxic rice cookers you can buy right now. These models focus on stainless steel or safer inner pots, reliable cooking performance, and long-term peace of mind. I've done the research, so you don't have to. And as always, you'll find updated product links in the description below. Let's get started. What makes a rice cooker non-toxic? Before we jump into the list, let's quickly clear something up. A non-toxic rice cooker usually means no Teflon or questionable non-stick coatings, stainless steel inner pot, or high-quality, well-regulated coated surfaces from trusted brands. Stainless steel is the gold standard because it doesn't flake, peel, or leach chemicals over time. Now let's get into the best options, starting with a budget-friendly pick. Third or 5, Aroma Housewares ARC. The Aroma Housewares ARC is a solid entry-level choice for anyone who wants to move away from cheap non-stick cookers without spending a lot. This model features a stainless steel inner pot, which is a big win for health-conscious buyers. You don't have to worry about coating wear, scratches, or chemicals mixing into your food. It can cook up to 8 cups of cooked rice, making it suitable for small families or meal prep. The controls are simple, and it also handles steaming vegetables, grains, and soups. This is not a flashy rice cooker, but it's dependable, easy to clean, and gets the job done safely. If you want basic, affordable, and non-toxic, this is a great place to start. 4. Aroma ARC's stainless steel rice cooker. Next up is another Aroma model, the ARC, and this one is all about simplicity and safety. It uses a food-grade stainless steel inner pot with no chemical coating at all. This makes it ideal for people with chemical sensitivities, or anyone focused on clean eating. It's a smaller unit, perfect for couples, singles, or anyone cooking smaller portions regularly. One-touch operation makes it extremely easy to use, even if you've never owned a rice cooker before. It automatically switches to keep warm once cooking is complete, so there's no guesswork involved. If you want a minimalist, no-nonsense, non-toxic rice cooker, this model is a strong contender. 3. Comfy Japanese-style rice cooker. Now let's step things up with the Comfy Japanese-style rice cooker. This model combines a modern design with carefully regulated inner pot materials and precise temperature control. While it may use a coated inner pot, Comfy focuses on high safety standards and consistent cooking performance. It offers multiple presets for white rice, brown rice, porridge, soup, and more. The digital display and smart cooking logic help ensure evenly cooked rice without burning or drying out. This is a great option for people who want convenience. Multiple cooking modes though. A cleaner, more controlled cooking environment. If you prefer smart features with a safety-focused design, Comfy is worth checking out. 2. Casori rice cooker with stainless steel inner pot. The Casori rice cooker is a standout choice for modern kitchens. This model features a stainless steel inner pot, which immediately puts it in the non-toxic category. Casori is known for thoughtful product design, and this rice cooker is no exception. It offers multiple cooking functions while maintaining a clean, minimalist look. The controls are intuitive, and the unit delivers consistent results across different types of rice and grains. Another big advantage is ease of cleaning. No coating means no peeling, no special care, and long-term durability. If you want a modern, stainless steel, non-toxic rice cooker that feels premium without being overly complicated, this is an excellent choice. 1. Zojerouchi NS Premium Rice Cooker. Taking the top spot is the Zojerouchi NS ZCC10, one of the most trusted rice cookers in the world. Zojerouchi is famous for precision, reliability, and extremely consistent cooking results. This model uses advanced fuzzy logic technology to adjust temperature and timing automatically. While it uses a coated inner pot, Zojerouchi's materials are high quality, tightly regulated, and extremely durable. These coatings are designed to last for years and are widely trusted by households worldwide. It excels at perfect rice texture, even cooking long-term performance. This is the rice cooker people buy once and use for a decade. If you want top-tier performance with a trusted brand, this is the best premium option on the list. So which one should you choose? If you want pure stainless steel and maximum safety, go with Aroma or Casori. If you want advanced cooking technology and perfect rice every time, Zojerouchi is hard to beat. And if you want modern features at a reasonable price, Comfy offers a nice balance. No matter which one you pick, all the products in this list are solid choices for healthier, safer cooking. Call to action. You'll find all the product links in the description below, updated with the best available prices. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.